For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a ribbed Tunisian stitch. To begin, you have to have a row of simple Tunisian stitches. So if you haven't done that before, I just have a sample here with some single crochets, but we're going to begin the Tunisian stitches here. So for the simple Tunisian stitch, you're going to insert your hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and repeat this all the way across your row. Now I am using just a traditional crochet hook for this because my sample is pretty small, and so I don't need a ton of room, just a regular crochet hook. Now on the return part of the row, you're going to yarn over and pull through one loop on your hook. You'll always begin your row with just the one loop on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through two loops on your hook and repeat that across. So yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over through two, yarn over through two, yarn over through two, all the way to the end. So you've completed your first row of a simple Tunisian stitch. And you can see the little bars running up. To begin the ribbed Tunisian, you're going to skip your first bar right here. And you're going to begin in this next one right here. You're going to enter from the right side to the left and pull up a loop. Now for the next bar, you're going to do it the opposite direction. So instead of going from right to left, you're going to go from left to right. So use your hook, grab that loop, and then pop up underneath and pull up a loop. Now you're going to repeat that. Go from right to left, pull up a loop, and then go from left to right and pop up and pull up a loop. Right to left, pull up a loop, left to right and pull up a loop. And then in the last stitch, you want to kind of, here's the bar right here, you can see it. You kind of want to rotate your work and grab both sides of that. That will just create a nice edge because it's kind of like a turning chain. Yarn over, pull through one to return, and then do the basic return. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, all the way back to the beginning of the row. As you can see, we're kind of creating, you can see the beginning of this ribbed look. You can see like 3 arrows in here. We're going to repeat that in each row. So you're going to skip the first bar, and the next bar you're going to go from right to left, pull up a loop, left to right and pull up a loop, right to left, and then left to right. Repeat that all the way across your row. Again, at the end of your row, grab that front loop, rotate your work a little bit, and grab that back half of it as well. And then for the return, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over through two, all the way back to the beginning. I'll do one more row so you can see the pattern a little bit better. As you can see, you've got your ribbing being created. Okay, never begin with a chain one in Tunisian crochet. You're going to skip that first bar and go into the next one. Right to left and pull up a loop, and then left to right and pull up a loop. Right to left. And when you do this, just kind of grab that loop and then pop it back up. At the end, kind of rotate that and grab the 2 strands of yarn. Yarn over, pull through one loop, and then do the traditional pull through two. Yarn over, pull through two. And that is how you crochet the ribbed Tunisian stitches.